Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Okay, so today we are going to do science. And what is science topic? Let us see. Okay, so today we are going to do adaptations in living organisms. Today we are going to learn about the habitats. We are going to understand the different types of components of habitat like biotic and abiotic. Right, we are going to evaluate the adaptations. We are going to study the adaptive features of animals, plants who are living in deserts, mountains, grasslands, fresh in marine water. So the video is going to be very interesting and I want you all to watch this video till end. Organisms and their surroundings. Living organisms, they can be found everywhere on the earth, such as plains, mountains, desert, oceans. They are also found and around our house. Some living organisms, such as microorganisms, they're present inside our body also. Right? Organisms are having some unique features which are enabling them to live in a particular region with a specific climate and geographical conditions, such as different body coverings, varied eating habits, different breathing methods, and different body parts for moving. Some living organisms develop some special features to help them survive better in the local weather condition. This characteristics of living organisms is called adaptations. You must have also noticed that wherever the living organisms are present, the non-living things, for example, air, water, soil, they are also present. These non-living components were essential for living organisms to stay alive. Similarly, living organisms depend on other living organisms for the food and other needs. The non-living things and other living organisms that affect a particular living organisms are referred to as its environment. The study of the relationship of a living organisms and its environment is called ecology. Now, you know that all the living things, they are found everywhere: plains, mountains, desert, ocean. They are also found on our house. Some living organisms are present in our body. So organisms have some unique features that are enabling them to live in a particular region with the specific climate and the geographical conditions. Okay, so the some special features which are helping a organism to survive a better. This characteristic is known as adaptation. Okay, you have noticed that all the living organisms and all the non-living things, okay, they are also present. So the non-living components, they are essential for living organisms to stay alive. Like water is a non-living thing, but it is also giving us a particular help to us to survive a life. Okay, few organisms are dependent on other living organisms. So all the non-living things and the other living things which are affecting a particular living organisms, they are known as the environment. Okay, and if you are studying that these relationship of living organisms as well as its environment, so it is known as the ecology. All living organisms, plants and animals present in an environment are known as biological or biotic components. All the non-living things present in the environment are known as the physical or abiotic components. Every living organisms, they are known as biotic component, and every non-living things present in a particular environment, they are known as the physical or the abiotic components. Now let us read the biotic as well as the abiotic interaction. The biotic components, they are dependent on each other for the food. They are living in close relationship to one another. For example, if animals are dependent on the green plants as well as other animals for the food. So the animal waste as well as the dead bodies, they are adding the nutrition through the soil and decomposing. These nutritions are taken up by plants through their roots. So in this way, the animal are providing the minerals to the plant for the growth. So this is the relationship between a particular plant and an animal, right? Biotic and abiotic other interactions. The biotic as well as the abiotic components, they are interacting with each other continuously. The abiotic components, they are sharing the biotic components. For example, both the plants and animals need air to respire. All living organisms need the water. Plants need air, water, and sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. They are also needing the soil to grow. So, plants and animals both have suitable temperature conditions to survive. Now, let us learn what is a habitat, different types of habitats, and the different types of plants as well as animals which are found there. Okay. A habitat is a place in the environment where a living organism lives and grows naturally. For example, the natural habitat of a tiger is the forest, not the zoo. A habitat is providing the suitable living conditions, for example, proper food, temperature, shelter, climatic conditions which are best suited for that organisms to survive. For example, forest is providing a tiger with the animals that it can hunt for eating, shady trees and plants for it to hide, as well as take the rest, and best suitable climatic conditions with the sunlight and in rain. In other words, a habitat is the natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or any other organisms. Now, tiger tiger's natural habitat is a forest, not the zoo. Why? Because the tiger is having the proper food, temperature, shelter, climatic conditions which are best suited for that particular animal or particular organisms to survive, right? The tiger have many animals by which it can hunt for eating. They are having some shady trees, plants where the tiger can hide as well as take the rest. So this is known as a habitat. Now we are going to read types of habitats in my next video, where we are going to discuss about terrestrial habitat as well as aquatic habitat. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified with my videos. Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, and study well.